videotape of a Fanuc Robodrill Alpha-D21LiB5 Fanuc 31LiB5 control. I come back here inside the machine with a 31LiB5 control. This machine is equipped with a Schunk quick change pallet inside of the machine. Full fourth axis DDT or DDR. Okay, you want to cycle it?
Sure.
Turn off the coolant so we can show it. And this cycling is at what RPMs? This is a BBT 30 taper.
It's running right now at 6792.
6792 RPM. This is running a medical part. They're not using the fourth axis at this time. This is a medical part making dental braces. Give you an idea what the program looks like. This machine is equipped also with a mist buster mist collector and a high pressure coolant. This is the this is the hydraulic clamping for the Schunk system. I'm going to take a quick walk over to the Schunk.
I'm going to stop there first.
This is the Schunk quick change pallet system, and here's the holding device for that quick change unit. This machine has very low hours. This concludes that video for the Fanuc Robodrill Alpha-D21LiB5.